Thanks for calling Turnkey. This is Mike. Thanks for calling Turnkey. This is Jeff. Yes, sir. How you doing, Bob? Let me see if Steve's available. Can I put you on hold for just a minute? Thanks.
Turnkey Solutions, this is Steve.
Hey, Steve. I have Bob Smith on the other line. Do you have a second to talk to him?
For Bob, sure, transfer.
Sounds good. I'm going to hang up and he'll be there. Thanks for calling Turnkey Solutions. This is Steve. Hey, Bob, how are you? Good. Yeah, let me see if Jeff's available.
Good afternoon, this is Jeff.
Hey, Bob, Jeff's about to step into a meeting. Can I send you over to his voicemail? Sounds good. Have a good day.
Please enter personal identification number, then press pound. You have one new message. Press star to play. Press 9. Press 0 for next message. Press 1 for previous message. Press 2 to repeat current message. Press 3 to delete current message. To delete message, press star. To cancel. Message deleted. End of messages. Press star to play. Please enter personal identification. You have no messages. Press star to play. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound. To play messages, press star. To change your profile status, press 1. To dial a number, press 3. To delete all read messages, press 4. To change your self-identification message, press 5. To play mailbox information, press 6. To change voicemail PIN number, press 7. To change your greeting message, press 8. To repeat this prompt, press 9. To record new greeting message, press 0. To restore standard message, press 1. To check current greeting message, press 2. To exit, press pound. Record your greeting message, then press pound.
Hi, I'm unavailable right now. Please leave me a message and I'll return your call.
To save message, press 0. To repeat recording, press 1. Record your greeting message, then press pound.
Hi, I'm unavailable right now. Please leave a message and I'll return your call.
To save message, press 0. To repeat recording, press 1. To verify your recording, press 2.
Hi, I'm unavailable right now. Please leave a message and I'll return your call.
To save message, press 0. To repeat your greeting message saved. To play messages, press star.
Thanks for calling Turnkey Solutions. How can I help you? I certainly can. Do you mind if I put you on hold for a second? Thanks. Sales, new customer on line 1. New customer on line 1. This is Mike. How can I help you? To access the phone app, use the 3CX phone application on your smart device. Once inside, you'll be greeted with a series of 6 tabs at the bottom and a familiar telephone interface here. To make a call, simply dial an extension. You will dial the extension and the audio will play on your phone speaker. Other options available via the phone application are quick dials for all your team members, along with status notifications. Hitting on the triple dots on the right-hand side will give you contact details for that individual. You can also access your normal iPhone contacts. You can get back to the keypad. You can see your recent calls. You can send chats to different team members by composing a chat, picking your team member, and sending a text. Lastly, you could access your voicemail from this screen as well. Across the top, you will see an agent icon. Currently, I am logged out of our phone queues. If you click the phone queue button, you are asked to log in. You hit yes, and you'll notice the icon turns blue. I am now logged in to our phone queues. Additionally, there's this green dot. That green dot is representative of your status in 3CX. If you hit it, you'll have 5 options. You can go away. You can go on Do Not Disturb. You can go on what's called lunch, or you can go on no smartphone. Each one of these statuses are completely customizable and can be defined for your individual installation. Lastly, on the right-hand side, you can see other options like you would in the web portal. You can schedule meetings, you can attend meetings, you can access your audio recordings, you can access the settings of your device, create a speed dial widget for our iPhone users, and access help. To use the 3CX preferred web app, the application installed on your desktop for telephony communications, simply click on the application labeled 3CX. Upon opening, the application will default to the home screen, which lists all extensions in your organization. A green icon on the extension indicates the user is online, whereas not registered indicates users that are not available and will have various colors on their extension. From here, you can simply click on the phone to call a user, the video to create a video meeting, the chat button to send a chat message, or the star to add this person to your favorites. You can also hit on the triple dot button and be able to do a series of different options. Let's go ahead and call Shelly now. You'll note
Record your message and press pound or press star to
You'll note when we hit the call button, a dialer pops out from the right-hand side of the menu and allows the call to be completed.
record your message and press pound or press star to contact the operator.
Since Shelly's not available, we're sent directly to her voicemail. Let's go ahead and call a mobile phone to test dialing options. Again, you'll see the window pop up and show available here. At this point, I can do a variety of different call control options from right here. I could place the call on hold. I could mute the conversation, which would mute my side of the conversation, allow the person I called to still be able to be heard. I could add a call to try to create like a conference call. I could go ahead and just do a conference call. I could transfer this call blind or attended. I could also set up seeing my keypad to be able to dial DTMF tones. Lastly, I could set up a video call. Video doesn't work when you're not dialing an internal caller. Additionally, from this screen, you could also chat any users. You can create meetings. You can see your call log, as well as a series of other phone operational items.